Hi, welcome to RaCo Woodworking. Today we're going to be making a little game or puzzle. It's a golf ball in a solid block of wood. I seen this project a few years ago and I tried it out, but at the time I didn't have a drill press, so I was just using a cordless drill with a Forstner Bit. And the Forstner Bit just tore up the edges too much. It didn't look good when it was completed. So now I got the drill press, which should make it a lot easier. And they're pretty easy to make, and you can be creative with them. Like, you can have them as long as you want. You could put 2, 3, or more golf balls in one project even. So let's get started. Okay, to start off, I got a piece of soft wood. I got it 5 inches long, and I got it 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. So I'm gonna mark what I want the cut to be. So I'm gonna come in 3/4 of an inch from the ends. And then I gotta mark the center. So 7/8. The golf ball is the standard golf ball. So that is about 1 11/16, and we're going to be using 1 1/4 Forstner Bit and a drill press. So over to the drill press, got our stop block set up to the distance to the back, and to the left it stops to where we want, and to the right it can't go any further than we want. So just keep drilling the holes, drill out everything you can, and the depth of it is go down to about halfway into the block. So now that we got all of our holes cut out, the main thing left to do now is try to sand down all your rough edges. It's going to take a bit of work because a few jagged edges around the sides. So I've got the sides sanded down pretty good. So I'm going to sand them again after I get the ball in. So the next step is to put the block in some hot water. So now we got our boiling water. Just going to add the cube. And probably going to add a couple of pucks to it just to keep it submerged in the water. So I'm going to leave it in the boiling water for about 10 to 15 minutes. So by adding the cube to the hot water, you're helping the wood expand. So hopefully, we'll just take this out. Give it a shot and see if it works. Here you go. It's in there. Now I'm going to just give it a bit of time to dry out. So here's the completed project with the golf ball in the block of wood. Now if you've seen in the video when I was pushing the golf ball in, it did make a little split on the edge of one of the cubes. And now it didn't break all the way through, but there was a little bit of a crack there. So I just put it back in the water, let it soak and try to heal a little bit. And then I just put some mineral oil over it. But I think the issue was that I didn't have the water quite hot enough. I had it hot, but I never had it boiling. So I did a couple more. After, and with those, I had the water brought to a boiling point. So when I pushed the balls in, it seemed like it went in a lot easier and there wasn't any breaks or cracks in those. So I just made a couple more. So like I said, you can get creative with those. Like I had mine at 5 inches. You can go 10, 12. You make them as long as you want. So it's a good little game or conversation piece, and it's a good like little gift for someone who enjoys golf. And you can even, like if you had balls with company logos on, then you could use it like on someone's desk or as a gift with the company logo on. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit subscribe and like below.